and structure of the atmosphere. Composition of air, structure of air, the troposphere, the stratosphere, the mesosphere, and the ionosphere. Dear students, in this chapter, we would learn about the composition of air. The total mass of air surrounding our Earth is called atmosphere. The atmosphere is composed of several gases such as nitrogen, oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide, neon, helium, hydrogen. The atmosphere extends up to about 500 km above the Earth's surface. Atmosphere can be broadly divided into four major regions, namely troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, and thermosphere. Troposphere. Troposphere is lowest layer of the atmosphere. It extends from 3 to 18 kilometers. In this layer, temperature decreases with height at the rate of 1 centimeter per 165 meters. This is known as normal lapse rate. Stratosphere. Stratosphere lies about troposphere and it extends up to 50 kilometers. Narrow zone of separation between troposphere and stratosphere is called tropopause. This layer contains a band of ozone gas which absorbs harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. Mesosphere lies above the stratosphere and it extends up to 30 km. The narrow zone of separation between stratosphere and mesosphere is called stratopause. In this layer, temperature again decreases with height. Ionosphere extends up to height of about 400 km. Narrow zone between mesosphere and isosphere is called mesopause. Air is a mixture of gases. The total mass of air surrounding our Earth is called atmosphere. The layer of atmosphere existing from 80 to 400 kilometers. The atmosphere is broadly divided into the following layers: the troposphere, the stratosphere, the mesosphere, and the ionosphere.